Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel. Here we go again, thunderstorm coming in. We got 7 days with this weather and so we should see some lightning or hail, possible straight line wind or tornado. But I want to show you guys something. Look over there. Let me zoom in so you all can see. Look at that. You can see 2 different layers of cloud right about there. The storm is coming in. Look at that down there. It looked like a war cloud. For those people who don't know what a war cloud is, a war cloud is look like a brick wall. That's where mostly tornadoes can form. But if you look at it again, let me zoom in so you guys can see. Look at that. Look at that. Right over there. It's breaking up a little bit. I mean, look how wide it is up there. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. I mean, this is part of the thunderstorm. It is moving towards us, but not. There is a severe thunderstorm warning going on to the south of us, but it's moving southeast straight towards me. I'm telling you guys, this is the most interesting thing I have ever seen since I've been living in America, in Texas. You can see that cloud is about to head towards me. Alright guys, it is definitely, look at that, coming in towards me. That is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. Barely can't see it through the trees, but it's definitely about to come over. Again, we're not in any watch or warning for tornado. Sometimes tornadoes can form without warning, like yesterday afternoon. Okay, let's zoom out. Guys, look over there, in between the trees. Let me zoom in for you. Look at that. Look at that, right there. Okay, if I can just zoom out a bit, zoom out. Wow, look at that. I mean, it looked like a shell cloud or what? Golly. There's a rain all the way down there, but this is very fascinating. It's like from the movie, The Never-Ending Story. Guys, look over there. Right over there. Right over there. Let's zoom in, let's zoom in. Jesus. Okay. Okay, let's zoom out. Cause it's about to hit us. I mean, not about to hit us, but it's coming towards us. I mean, there it is. The wind's picking up. You can tell by the tree. Sweet Jesus, have mercy on my soul. God, I love when there's a thunderstorm. See, right over there. Wow. It is moving very fast. I'm not sure if it's a tornadic storm. Lightning watch. And there's my Night Rider car. Okay, and the storm healer is just a little bit. There's a little windy. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna quickly look at the radar, but I will be back.